Imagine waking up every morning knowing you control your own financial destiny. No bosses, no rigid schedule, just you, the computer, and the market. Sound like a dream, right? But here's the thing, most people who try to make that leap from 9 to 5 to full time trading fail miserably. Why? Because they don't know what it really takes. So, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I made that transition, what you need to know, and why some of the advice you might be hearing is dead wrong. First off, let's get something straight. Trading is not some get rich quick scheme. So if you think you could quit your job, start trading full time, and instantly replacing your income, you're in for a rude awakening. Trading is hard, it's mentally taxing and emotionally draining. But if you are prepared to put in the effort and the work, the reward is life changing. Here's where the controversy comes in. The popular advice is to quit your job once you have saved up 6 months worth of expenses, and that's complete BS. Let me tell you why that's not enough. Because what happens if the market starts to tank in month 3? Are you really going to be able to stay calm and stick to your trading strategy when your saving is dwindling? If you're serious about making this transition, you're going to need at least a year worth of expenses saved up minimum. But don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So how do you actually prepare for this transition? First, you need to have a proven, consistent trading strategy. This means you have to test it over and over in different market conditions, and it works. If you're just gambling and chasing hype stock, you're not ready to go full time. Second, you need to have a solid financial cushion, not just for living expenses, but also for your trading capital. This isn't money that you can afford to lose, and it is not your emergency fund. This is your lifeline in the market. If you blow up your account, you need to be able to survive to keep trading. One of the biggest challenges when you're going full time is handling the pressure. It's one thing when you're trading on the side, but it's a whole different ballgame when it's your only source of income. You need to develop a mental toughness to stick to your strategy even when things aren't going your way. And here's another thing no one is going to tell you. Whether you like it or not, you're going to lose money. And there will be days, maybe even weeks, when you're in the red. The market doesn't care about your rent or your mortgage payment. So you need to have an emotional resilience to weather the storm without panicking and making impulsive decisions. Now let's talk about the transition plan. You don't just wake up one day and quit your job. You need a plan to cover every step of your journey. Start by building a trading skill while you're still employed. Use the weekends, the evening, or any time that you're off to learn how to backtest your strategy and make paper trades. Next, you need to build a financial cushion. This includes your living expenses, your trading capital, and your emergency fund. Once you have got your strategy down and your financial in order, then the only thing that's left to do is thinking about making that leap. When you're ready to quit, don't just walk into your boss office and throw down your resignation letter. Ease your way into it. Maybe go part-time or even take a leave of absence. This way you can test the waters and make sure you're really ready to go full-time trading. Transitioning from a 9 to 5 job to full-time trading isn't easy. It takes preparation, discipline, and the right mindset. But if you're committed, it's absolutely possible. I did it and you can too. Just don't fall for the hype and do it the right way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button for more insight on trading financial freedom, and drop a comment below. What is holding you back from making that leap? Let's talk about it.